this 63 Vet is going to be completely upgraded from twin turbo ComSync fuel injection ECU system to a PAR Racing Engine's Pro Charger motor. If it wasn't for the paint job, I don't think you guys would even notice this 63 Vet. So first we had to strip out all the wiring. We added additional tubes to fit that PAR Racing Engine's Pro Charger motor perfectly. Logan's doing a little door car yoga as we add some upgrades to this 63 Vet. Some of the panels easily removable for the ABRUZZI transmission and converter maintenance. We built new headers, they're custom kit, stainless work zoomies. Along with the new wiring, we added a digital delay switch panel, a gauges dash. Here's a little bit of TC's custom fabrication, as this is going to be a 5-gallon fuel tank. And the next stop for this hot rod is going to be Galop Motorsports Park for the PDRA first race of the season. I'm telling you, you guys are going to want to stick around to see this thing go down the track. Not a horrible first run. We're going to see here what we can do on the next run. We got Spud making some bar changes. Michael White out there making some good changes as we end the weekend with 417 best ET.